Okay, here we are. We just got back to our house, and it is hard to see where anything is right now at all. There's so much snow. This is unreal.
I don't think we'll be able to take you around our yard. There's so much snow.
It is snowing 2 to 3 inches an hour.
Yes.
Since yesterday at 5:30 p.m. We're gonna go for a little fun ride out in our field.
Are you going fast?
We're going about 15 right now.
14, 13, 12.
Yeah, well, we got to make sure that there's a lot of snow out here, buddy. I think.
Let's take it and spin. Going right now.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of snow. There's so much snow. There's so much. There's a big donut for you. Wow.
Now let's slide to the side and go fast.
Oh, we just did that.
Slide to the side and go fast.
I think we are heading back to the house right now, buddy.
Why?
Because.
Right there's the dirt piles. Whoa,
Yep, there's our dirt piles, the lumps over here. Oh, we almost hit one. They are actually really hard to see.
Yeah. Except that stick that's giving it away. There's a big one from when our house was built. It was there since.
And here's our carport that we're putting together. There's our tractor.
Yeah, right there's our
We're gonna have to get that guy out pretty soon, I think.
Yeah, right there's our tractor up close. It's a Kubota one. And it does have a race car engine as well.
Oh, that has a race car engine too.
Yeah, we can't even see where we're going.
Okay. All right, we're gonna say goodbye for now.